Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guides. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on WeChat using your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open your WeChat app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you download the app, you have to open it, and on your screen, you can see there's chat option, contacts option, discover option, and me option. You have to go to me, then select settings. Under settings, you have to go to general and look for language option. Now you have to select the preferred language and select done on the top right corner of your screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you change language on WeChat. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.